Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to go over our zone RPOs at our trio concept where we have our stretch, wide zone, split, tight zone, and then finish up third with our swipe mid zone. Let's take a look. First, we always want to do our defensive recognition of Anna, access, no access. Again, we'll look at the two high safeties down to the Mr. Zero for access to throw or not. That determines then the run box defenders, in this case 6 with our 6 blockers, hence good numbers. So how can we make zone multiple and simple using the trio concept? We'll start with our foundation of our stretch wide zone. You can see the H-back's going to stay strong, and then the back's point of attack is the H-back's midline. The quarterback now will read the will. If you look at the bottom right diagram, the stretch is in the red, going to the left with the back, and then the quarterback reads the will backer on the backside using a Mickey concept. Second then is split or tight zone RPO in the green there. H-back now is going to split across to block the backside defensive end. Point of attack now for the back is the center's midline, bouncing it back. And then the quarterback reads now all the way outside the weak Mr. Zero in the green with the bubble concept. Last is swipe, where we're going to attack right in the middle, hence the mid zone RPO. H-back is going to swipe now across and block the will backer. Point of attack for the back now is the inside leg of the tackle, and the quarterback now will read strong the Sam backer using a double glance route. You can see now we've got 3 different H-back blocks, 3 different points of attack all across the front, and we can read 3 different defenders of any defense using one zone blocking family. So here's a look at stretch going to the left. You can see we'll read the will with a Mickey route on the backside, but we also have the X to the left on the front side with what we call a PRO, a pass run option, being able to get the pray for post. Stretch steps now, it's going to be 5 down the sideline, stretching the defense. And then the back's going to go and plant and go right to the midline, reading the H-back's backside. Quarterback shuffle step, reading the will or the X. Stretch zone blocking is our foundation because, again, it's simple. We're all going to far reach to the far shoulder, running on our tracks, stretching the defense, letting the back go inside or outside of that H-back. Split zone now, natural complement to stretch. You can see back is going to plant on the third step, go right to the center's midline, and it's a natural backdoor play. Quarterback now is going to pre and post snap, read for bubble on that weak Mr. Zero. And as always, if we have free access with the X receiver to the left, we'll hit the slide out or go. Split zone now technique. You can see the back will start out just like stretch, but on the third step is going to point his toe right at that center's midline. Quarterback now will turn and pivot and face the back so he can ride him down the pipe and read that backside Mr. Zero. Split zone blocking now is inside zone, where we're going to do a tight reach. This gives us that great double team action, and the H-back will split over and block the backside defensive end. Third then is a swipe mid zone. Complement to both. You can see we're going to get a look with the action of the back like stretch, but the H-back starting to split across like split zone. Now we're going to read the front side or the Sam backer and do a double glance with a bubble by the A. Mid zone steps are going to be exactly like stretch, so now we get this overlearning of technique. Same with the quarterback. Difference is the H-back's going to go block that will backer on the swipe technique, and now we'll read the strong side Sam backer. Last is our swipe mid-zone line blocking. What's great here is we've got overlearning of everyone doing stretch blocking, except the play side tackle does what we call a drive and wash technique. He's going to far reach, but to the inside armpit of that defensive end and drive him upfield, or wash him to the sideline if he wants to keep contained. You can see now we've got 3 simple but sound ways to use our zone blocking technique and read 3 different people and give 3 different looks with the H-back movement to the defense. Thanks.